Okay, when we're working on this project, we'll want to make sure we have gloves on because these edges have been cut to size, but it is sharp and there's a good chance you could cut yourself and could lead to things like infection or even worse, tetanus. So we're going to wear gloves when we do this. Now, the tools that we are going to use, we have different, these are called aviation snips. So some people just call them metal cutters, that's fine, but the correct name is aviation snips on these. We're going to obviously use a tape measure. We're going to use something called a rivet gun. This is a way to attach metal. I don't have it here, but we're going to use something called a pan brake, which you'll see soon, and we're going to use something called a spot welder. And we eventually will get all the materials to use to assemble this nice little tray that you have. Okay, so how we're going to start this project is on a trades day, about a half hour before you're dismissed, you are going to get a piece of metal. Well, actually, you're going to get 4 pieces of metal. You're going to get the body of the tray, 2 pieces as the ends, and a long piece here for the handle. You can see we're going to form these. And what we're going to do is you're going to get, this is like sandpaper, but it's called emery cloth because it's more like a cloth. You can hear it when I rip it. And what you have to do is you need to sand the metal, because when the metal's here, when you get the metal shipped to you, there's an oil coat on it so it doesn't get rusty. And that, believe it or not, that's the best way to do it. So you want to sand both sides and make sure you get all the oil off there. Okay, so what I have here is the plan for the main body of the tray. And you can see that you'll need a piece of metal that is 15.5 inches long by 9 inches wide. The leads came in and did cut these pieces to the size that you need. So all we have to do is measure and lay it out so we can plan to cut it.